What's up, YouTube? Steeler Cards, box number 4.
Calling it.
My friends are calling this one the best box.
Not me. I say
Jake is.
I say this is the best box.
So yeah, best card from the first 3 have been a Jonathan Galvez auto and a 1-of-1 printing plate of some guy for the Marlins. So yeah. Box number 4. Thank you all for joining. If you don't want to watch all these, just skip to the end of the recap. Ramirez, Panic, Bruce Golds, Holiday, Ichiro. You gotta find Tyler's 1 Castro card.
I've had
Cabrera, Addison Reed, May, Berkman, Napoli.
I love him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh gosh. Rivera, Miller, Ryan Braun, Green again. I think we pulled that card earlier. Weeks and Canerco.
We did pull that earlier. Dude, stay on top of things.
I'm staying on top.
Oh,
I'm on the.
Nope, that's not. No, it's not.
Carlos Stanton. Ooh, gold refractor again.
Another one?
Decoy, Pomeranz, Stanton, McCann, Denard, the gold refractor for the Yankees again. Mason Williams, numbered 40 of 50. Yankees again. We got Manny Benuelos for the Yankees gold earlier. Hanson, Daniel Corsino for the Reds, numbered to 399. So nice color so far. Cruz, red, and Strasburg and red. Another Wilson on the back. Pulled like 4 of him. Kershaw, a little damage in the corner. Morse, Tyon, Taveras, he's a good prospect, and Wilson. Yeah, that's what happens from the past years with Bowman Platinum too. Granderson, Iwamura, Ozuna for the Marlins. We just pulled his printing plate 1-of-1. Marcell Ozuna, Marlins, X-Fractor, Jennings, and Morneau. Still no auto, just like last box. Reyes, Cosart, Gonzalez Gold, and Zimmerman and Freeman. Pasternicky, Telvin Nash, Ubaldo Jimenez Green, Rosario, and Jimenez again.
Going for the cash
You even got your base.
What if I get 6
You still haven't
base
gotten
cards?
Dylan Maples
What
either.
if I get 6 base cards?
Gordon, Euclid, Arenado, Segura, and Braun. Still no auto.
When the auto's full, it's gonna be the best box.
Charles in the 5th box.
Usually the auto jerseys have been the best. Weaver, Mesoraco, McNutt. Ooh, for the Cubs.
Oh, you got a new player.
Shields and Gonzalez.
Add that to your collection.
What's his name, McNutt? It's
Come on, guys. You're not 2 years old.
Grow up.
Josh Beckett, AJ Cole, Cespedes, Hendricks, and Nuvisnia or something.
Can you pronounce
You're not
Neuenheis
doing your
for me?
job.
It's Kirk Neuenheis.
Shh. Kirk, Neuenheis. Ortiz, Trout. Ooh, redemption.
Oh,
No
oh,
way!
what'd I say? What'd I say?
6-way auto.
Oh, no. It's not. I know it. Cliff Lee, Freeze, Ortiz, Trout, Guillermo Pimentel. Good old Guillermo for the
For
Mariners.
the Mariners.
Seen a lot of him pulled.
It'll get better.
First auto for the Mariners. Who got the Mariners?
Jason M.
Jason M.
Good job, Jason. Dun, 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 dun.
Jason M. That's him. He's saying.
Sorry, they've been drinking.
They've been drinking
Yeah,
so much.
Santana, Jackson for the Cubs.
Yeah, some pump.
Oh, Raptor too.
Die cut of Cabrera and Counts.
Okay.
Stu.
You get a pen plate for that here.
No.
Kinsler, Machado, Upton,
Jersey
Jones,
auto
and Chipper Jones.
Jersey auto.
Jersey auto? I'll have to keep that
Or
then.
no, I don't know.
Justin.
No, don't take it off camera.
Okay. It is on camera. It's a
disappointing to not hear.
Price, Bautista, second auto.
Oh, here we go. Come on, you dog.
Pineda, Fielder, Price,
Look at that.
and Matt Perk for the Nationals.
What I say?
Goes to Baddest Boy.
No, Richard
Or,
J.
yeah, Richard J.
Good job, Richard. Dun, dun, dun,
Bought the
dun.
Nationals
Richard
for...
A.
Sorry. Nationals, second auto. Still looking
That
for
one might
the
be the
Jersey
Jersey
auto,
auto.
which is supposed to be the best hit, so, yeah.
It is?
Jeter, Cabrera, Jacobs, Verlander, die cut, and Andre Ethier. Don't put the Pimental in it.
You have to. It's a hit. No matter
That's
what.
weird.
Well,
Decoy
okay.
on the back.
It's gonna be.
Votto, Ugla, Nick Franklin, number to 399 for the Mariners. You missed out again, Jake. And Shelby Miller.
I was about to buy the Mariners, and I'm stupid.
Justin called it, though. Another Jersey auto called.
Nice.
Wait, we didn't pull the Jersey. What was the Jersey?
Cruz, Hernandez, Wilman Flores. He looks like old guy.
Hey.
Longoria and Hudson. Relic auto time.
Oh, hey guys,
It's relic
remember,
auto time.
Trout.
this is the best box. I guarantee it.
No, it's box.
Well, I don't
six, guys.
guarantee it, because if it's really bad, I'll feel terrible just saying that. Good luck to everyone.
And, of course, the one with the Relic auto is the hardest to get out.
Don't peek.
Ooh,
Don't
patch.
Oh,
Patch time.
What I say, my boy?
It's gonna be a USA one. It's Trout.
No, there's no USA.
Trout.
Ooh, don't, Jake. Stop.
Dude.
David Wright, Manny Machado, Gold, Daniel Hudson.
I don't like you.
Yeah.
That sounded so weird. It's not even fun.
46 of 50,
I saw
three-color patch auto.
Wow. You got every single.
I'm
you and-
sorry, guys, but this
and-
goes to me again.
You and Brian know.
Me and Brian O kicking
Raffle
it.
it tonight. Raffle it.
Maybe.
Go for 14.
So
That's
to
actually
recap it off here. Don't put it
Well,
in the
that
sleeve.
one I gotta put.
Yeah,
in the sleeve.
Daniel and Matt Perk auto.
Dude, this
and
is the
Guillermo
heaviest
Pimentel.
pack. This is the heaviest card ever.
Okay,
joke, no
so
line, guys.
yeah,
It's just the real
2 more boxes and we're done.
I didn't get a cash.
See ya.
I'm sorry.